afternoon, viewers. This time around, I came to O.A.U, and here I'm with their booklet. And you can see when you talk about mathematics, you have a lot of topics. This for their second semester. You can see the different questions and how to solve it. It's talking about differentiation, and you can see that. You can see the and you see the different standard forms of integration. The other time I showed you the standard form of differentiation. And moving to the next page, you can see talking about the straight line. You can see line of parallel axis. Then talking about using your matrix method in solving. Then you can see circle for your formulas for your circle. You make use of these when you want to find the radius. R equals square root of d squared plus e squared minus f. You can see. So it's a tutorial booklet. That's how things are done here. So you can see the difference. So if you want to deal with your mean deviation and standard deviation, here are the formulas to use in case you don't know. And going to probability, we have that. You have some other things you can see as this is going. So these are the different topics. Yeah. So then after the notes, you find out that they have different quiz. You can see Math 106 tutorial quiz 1 academic. So you have different questions that you can practice with. Can you see the questions? Here are different questions that you can practice at home to check yourself on differentiation, integration, and the likes. So going to the next topic, you have this, then you have all this, then you can see. Now this is going to the straight line, questions on straight line, how to find the distances. You can see whereby you use your if you are using you use your t2 minus like t1, that is y2 minus y1 all squared, then plus s2 minus s1 all squared, then you find the square root. That's to find your distance. You know how to go about it, how to pass centers passing through. So you can see how to go about this for the book. And say now coming here actually met their question that was given to them for the test. Here's the question: find the y dx and the 2y of dx at the point 1, 1 on the curve 3x squared plus 2y squared plus xy plus x equals 7. Then we have the question 2: find the maximum and the minimum values of y equals x in brackets x minus 1 all squared. You can attempt all this question. I still remain your king of mathematics. I just said I should carry along. This O.A.U department. You can see I had to take the video when they were done with the class. So, and as regard my other videos, I will show you solve one of this question and post online.